Good morning to all of you. Welcome to the session. The first 10 questions deal with a passage. It's an easy passage. The passage is all about economists, the public perception about economists, their role in the past and in the present. Many questions can be answered without spending a lot of time. Let us go to the first question. Question number one. What does the author refer to by the phrase intellectual roadblocks as used for economists during olden days? What is the expression here? Intellectual roadblocks. Intellectual roadblocks. First, you should know the meaning of the word intellectual. Intellect means knowledge. Intellectual, a knowledgeable person. Intellectual roadblocks. So, what does it mean? In the passage, it refers to in the olden days, economists they would highlight certain things or they would prevent certain things that would go wrong. They were like watchdogs. Now let us have a look at the options. Hiding crucial information from the intended population. Crucial information, why will they hide? They will not hide. This is not correct. The ability to boost economic growth. This is also not correct because the expression is intellectual roadblocks. Intellectual is a positive word, roadblocks a negative word. The ability to prevent anything that could go wrong. The ability to prevent anything that could go wrong. It was like that was a function, that was a role. This seems right. Let us hold that one. Ability to protect people from being unemployed. That is not correct. Other than those given as options. Answer is the third option. Intellectual roadblocks. What does it mean? The ability to prevent anything that could go wrong. Answer is the third option. Question number two. Here and there are problems with the key. I will not talk about that. I will tell the correct option. What does the author mean by the phrase toe the line as used in the passage? He toes the line with someone, toe the line with the management. Typical expressions. If you go to the workplace, usually we say he always toes the line with the management. So, toe the line means to do what one is expected to do. What is the first option here? To do what one is expected to do. Hold that one. Draw a line between what is right and what is wrong. That is not towing the line. Go beyond what is expected from you. That is also not correct. Fail to achieve something as per your expectation. That is not right. Extend the line to suit one's needs. Answer is the first option. To do what one is expected to do. I'm not showing the context, it's a bit difficult, but let us have a look. Not only based on the context, generally speaking, also, toe the line means to go with someone, to do what one is expected to do. Answer is the first option. Which of the following is most nearly the same in meaning as the word enamored? Enamored, as used in the passage, it means believed. Again, not easy to show where the word is. Yes, it is here. How does the sentence go? The growth resulting from stable money would normally be associated with rapidly falling prices, as was the case during most of the 19th century. Full stop. Economists also have physics envy and are enamored with empiricism and mathematical models. Based on that, the answer is believed. It is not energized, it is not respected. It is a third option, not esteemed, not impressed. It is believed. The third option is the answer. Question number 4. In the given passage, the author does not encourage to adopt any macroeconomics or economics model because there's a reason for that. Comprehending and applying these models is a gigantic task. That is not correct. The variables on which they are based are relatively constant. This is the answer. In the passage, the writer talks about the same. The variable should be dynamic, not constant, because variable, the word itself talks about changing. The variables on which they are based are relatively constant. They do not consider crucial factors related to human behavior. That is not right. Answer is only B. Answer is the first option. Question number 5. Which of the following characteristics distinguishes economics from other physical sciences? Economics as a subject, it comes under humanities, arts, and physics come under pure sciences. So here, which of the following characteristics distinguishes, separates economics from other physical sciences? Science is nothing but it is based on evidence, practicals, and empirical evidence. Extensive dependence on mathematical formula. That is not correct. Its models not being empirically testable. This is right. It is based on facts. No. The ease with which it can predict the onset of events, not correct, other than those given as options. Answer is physics or any science subject for that matter. We can test whatever the person says, we can test empirically. When it comes to economics or any art subject, we cannot do that. The models, its models not being empirically testable. Answer is the second option. Question number 6. Which of the following is true with respect to the author in the given passage? Rules applicable in physical sciences can be blindly applied in economics. That is not possible. As compared to olden days, today's economists create irrational fear, not fear, among the masses about the forthcoming events. This seems right, mentioned in the passage, because the passage talks about economists in the past, economists in the present. Not only that, the very opening sentence talks a little derogatory. Many economists today are just and true. It is quite opposite. Based on the passage, owing to their profession, economists have always been viewed in the negative light. That is not correct. They are respected everywhere. Answer is the second option. As compared to olden days, today's economists create irrational fear among the masses about the forthcoming events. Answer is the second option. Question number 7. Which of the following is most nearly the opposite in meaning? And what is the word here? Foreseen. Generally, we use the word unforeseen. When it comes to usage, there's one expression, one word, unforeseen. Unforeseen events, unforeseen incidents, unforeseen expenditure means what? Not expected. Not expected, unexpected. Here the word is foreseen, means what? Expected. What is opposite? Unexpected. Based on that, the answer is the first option. Foreseen, expected, unforeseen, unexpected. They should have given unforeseen, but then it becomes easy to answer the question. So, unexpected is the answer. Question number 8. Which of the following is most nearly the same in meaning as the word tarnished? This goes with image. Tarnish one's image, tarnish one's reputation. Typical combinations. Touched is not correct. Benefited. Tarnish is a negative word. You cannot touch. You cannot consider a positive word. Fixed, not correct. Cleared, not correct. Tarnish someone's image. Tarnish someone's reputation means what? Spoil or ruin someone's image. Answer is the fourth option. Question number 9. Fallacies. Opposite. Fallacy means something that is not correct. Fallacy means what? Something that is not correct, something that is wrong. And there's a saying in English, what is it? No man is infallible. Fallacy is related word, fallible, infallible. That means no one is perfect. No man is infallible. No one is infallible means no one is perfect. So fallacy is something wrong, something negative. Based on that opposite word, loopholes, it goes with legal aspects, loopholes in the law, not relevant here. Beliefs, not correct. Precision, not correct. And here we need a positive word because fallacy is a negative word. Precision, positive but not related to fallacies. Notions, general word. Answer is truth. Fallacy, a wrong perception, wrong opinion, something that is negative or not real, not true. And opposite of that is truth. Answer is the first option. Question number 10. Empirical. When we talk about sciences, we use this word. Sciences always provide empirical evidence. Only then it is considered science and people accept. So here, same in meaning. It is not satirical, that goes with literature. Consistent, no. Actual, hold that one. Concealed. Conceal means what? Hide. Mystical, no. Here, it is empirical evidence, actual, real, practical. Answer is the third option. Easy to answer. Question number 11. Same in meaning, unison. In unison, typical expression, standard phrase. In unison means in agreement. So it is not tension, denial, refusal. All these are not. And remember the phrase in unison with the management, with someone, with the boss. It means in agreement. Answer is the fifth option. Please excuse me. Question number 12. According to the author, which of the following is not a role of economists? For this, you don't have to read the passage, common sense. Create fear among the masses to equip them with any kind of crisis, highlighting the evident and latent effects of economic policies. That is a role. Be in sync with fellow economists to bring more clarity in decision making. It is also one of the functions. So it is not a role of economists. What is it? The question says, according to the author, which of the following is not a role of economists? Create fear among the masses to equip them with any kind of crisis. That is not the role. Answer is only A. Fourth option is the answer. Question number 13. Opposite, exaggeration. Exaggerate means make something bigger than what it is, larger than what it is, and in a way it means increase. And what is opposite? Shrink, hold that one. Understatement, underwhelm, cut, expansion. It is exaggeration, expanding, increasing. What is opposite? Shrink. Answer is the first option. Question number 14. Opposite, constant. There's a saying in English again. If you take Charles Darwin, his famous quote, nothing is constant in this world except constant change. Nothing is constant in this world except the constant change. Change is constant. So here the question says, what is opposite of constant? It is not perfect, it is not broken, it is not similar, it is not unique. Constant, opposite, dynamic. Dynamic means always changing. Answer is the fourth option. Question number 15. The author in the given passage focuses on the following except. Except what? Comparison between economics and other physical sciences. The writer says that perception of people about economists, writer talks about that. The reasons why economists regard their profession as flawless. Importance of the role played by economists in the economy of a country, that is also true. Suggestions to make economists more thorough in their predictions. The reasons why economists regard their profession as flawless, mentioned in the passage. But here, the last one, the writer does not focus on suggestions to make economists more thorough in their predictions. It is not the writer's job. He is not an economist. So, answer is the fifth option. That's all about the passage. From the passage, 15 questions. Now, 16 to 20, they are not easy, they are rather tough. Only other questions are easy. What are these about? Here you see two sentences, and you have to join those two using one of the phrases A, B, C. I think here and there problems with the key. The study shows that video games improve cognitive ability in the elderly. Excuse me. The study shows that video games improve cognitive ability in the elderly. Cognitive related to thinking, brain. With a disposable income, free time, and discipline, older people are a good new market for video games. Two sentences. Context is clear. Even with, it does not talk about something adding. Even with, so you cannot start with this. Whereas video games, it doesn't start, you cannot start with that also. It is not something like comparison or contrast. The key says, why I had to check, the key says the fifth option. But I think we can consider the third option. The elderly have disposable income, free time, and discipline. The elderly have disposable income, free time, and discipline. Don't consider this. But here it talks about older in the elderly. So you can consider the elderly have something. What do they have? Disposable income, free time, and discipline, and a good and they are a good new market for video games, according to a study which says video games improve cognitive ability in the elderly. You can start with C. Answer is only C. It is not the fifth option. Question number 17. Now on, I don't have to scroll. A new generation of clean, low compression diesel cars is being developed. These will be competitive with electric and battery powered cars as they don't have problems of range or having to be recharged. Question number 17. Without problems of range or having to be recharged, a new generation of clean, low compression diesel cars is being developed, and these will be competitive with electric and battery powered cars. You can start with A. Competing with clean. It is not about competing with clean, competing with electric and battery powered cars. So ruled out. To develop new. This is not right. This also, question number 17. He says second option. In my opinion, it should be only A. Third option. Question number 18. The company's sales have fallen this year. She has been appointed the head of its retail operations and is credited with reviving the fortunes of her previous company. To be appointed, you cannot start with that. Since she is credited with reviving the fortunes of her previous company, she has been appointed the head of its retail operations of a company, the sales of which have fallen this year. You can start with this. With the drop of sales this year, she has been appointed the head of its retail operations because she is credited with is credited with reviving the fortunes. You can start with the third one also. Based on that, the first option, only B and C, we cannot consider A. Question number 19. Around 40% of Kenyans currently have little access to fresh water. The discovery of two new aquifers holding 250 cubic tons of water in the desert is welcome. From the discovery, we cannot start with this. Through the discovery, when you cannot consider from, you cannot consider through. As approximately 40% of Kenyans currently have little access to fresh water, the discovery of two new aquifers holding 250 cubic tons of water in the desert is welcome. So it is B, only B. Answer is the fourth option. Question number 20. The government has decided to abolish the carbon tax. Full stop. The Prime Minister says that the tax has forced up energy prices and caused job losses. According to the Prime Minister, the carbon tax has forced up energy prices and caused job losses, so the government has decided to abolish the carbon tax. You can consider A. By abolishing the carbon tax, you cannot start with this. Since the carbon tax has forced up energy prices and caused job losses, the government has decided to abolish the carbon tax. Easy. So B is not correct. A and C. Which option says that? First option is the answer. 21 to 30. Read the sentence to find out whether there is any grammatical mistake or error in it. The error, if any, will be in one part of the sentence. Mark the part with error as you answer. If there is no error, mark no error as your answer. Ignore the errors of punctuation, if any. 10 questions, easy to answer, except one or two, and only one error. The play is very contemporary. The play is very contemporary and takes references from the current socio-political situation inside the country. There are three parts. The play is very contemporary, nothing wrong with that, and takes references. The entire sentence is in present tense. It talks about a fact and takes. Subject is play singular, is, takes, and takes references from. Correct preposition. The current from what? The current socio-political situation where inside the country. Absolutely no problem. Answer is no error. Question number 22. The designs range from simple to elaborate, and most importantly, they are created by hand. The key says the second part. I don't see any error in the second part. The designs range from. The word range takes the preposition from. The designs range from simple to elaborate, from something to something else. Nothing wrong with the spelling of the word elaborate. The designs range from simple to elaborate. And most importantly, here it should be, we can use more and most, but in this context, better expression, more importantly, they are created by hand. The designs range from simple to elaborate, and more importantly, they are created by hand. So, based on that, there is an error in the third part, not in the second part. Second part, as such, there is no error. Anticipating breakdowns once temperature soars. This is an easy one. A question like this, you don't have to read the remaining part of this sentence. Anticipating breakdowns once temperatures plural, then you cannot say soars. Once temperatures soar again after monsoon, punctuation don't consider. Officials have decided to repair the power infrastructure in the city. Where is the error? Temperature source is not correct. Based on that second part, there is an error. The training charges were recovered from the women officer on the time of her retirement. You don't have to read the remaining part of this sentence. At the time, it is not on. The training charges were recovered when or from whom? Ask questions. The training charges were recovered from whom? From the woman officer. Then ask the question when. At the time of. At the time of retirement, a standard expression. At the time of something. At the time of leaving. At the time of doing something. There is an error in the third part. It is not on, it is at the time. The tempo loaded off the illegal gutka. Again, you don't have to read to save your time. You don't have to read the complete sentence. Loaded off is not correct. Loaded with the tempo, the vehicle, the tempo loaded with the illegal gutka was coming from Hyderabad and heading towards Mumbai. There's an error in the first part itself. 26. A new study has revealed that your partner's self controlling behavior can influence your decision making process. A new study has revealed, which tense is this? Present perfect tense. Has revealed what? Ask the question. That your partner's self controlling behavior can influence your decision making process. That your partner's self controlling behavior, nothing wrong with that, nothing wrong with this, can influence, it can do something, can influence what? Your decision making process. So, answer no error. All the parts are perfect. When makeshift stalls selling idols of Lord Ganesh begin to appear in city nodes, I think there is a problem with the key here also. The makers of the mandirs inside which the idol is placed turn into a busy lot. There is an error in the third part. It is not place, it is placed. When the idol is placed, the sentence is in present tense, passive voice. But the key says some other part. Forget about the key. Answer is the third option. When the idol is placed, they turn into a busy lot. The water level of the river did not touch the warning level of 39 feet due to intermittent rainfall in its catchment area. The water level subject of the river phrase did not touch the warning level of 39 feet due to intermittent rainfall in its catchment area. It looks like there is no error. We don't know the context, but if you use your grammar knowledge, there is no, and we cannot say whether it is past with time or past without time. We don't know the context, but if you use your grammar knowledge, the water level did not touch the warning level of 39 feet due to intermittent rainfall in its catchment area. So here there is a sentence which talks about the past, but there is no time. Then, based on that, it should be has not touched. Nothing wrong with did not touch, but the problem is with the tense. If the time is there, had they given the time in the past, the sentence would have been correct. But you don't see the time, and there's only one verb. Based on that, you cannot decide whether it is past context or present context. But overall, due to what? Intermittent rainfall in its catchment area. This looks like past due to intermittent rainfall in its catchment area. So, one possibility, no error as such. Another possibility, has not touched. But if you ask me, though initially I said it should be, there is a clue here. Due to what? Intermittent rainfall. This intermittent rainfall talks about the past, obviously. So, based on that, you can decide the context goes into the past. So, it is not correct. The water level of the river did not touch the warning level of 39 feet. Why? Due to intermittent rainfall in its catchment area. This is a second clue to tell that the context goes into the past. Based on that, no error. Fifth option is the answer. 29. The entire village became an island as it was surrounded by water and cut off from civilization. Here, cut off, phrasal verb, it is not single F, it should be double F, cut off. Means cut off, to be isolated. 30. The center will encourage aspirants to showcase their mastery with words as well. Immediately you have to think of as well as the elocutionary through sessions conducted by leading all these. So where is the error? Easy one. with words as well as is missing. There's an error in the third part. All the 10 are easy, not at all difficult. Now let us go to the para jumble. We'll take elimination approach to get the first sentence. Here, if a sentence that begins with the word if cannot be the first sentence, at first sight, the country appears. The country, we don't know the context, the definite article, hold this one. However, contrasting word cannot be the first sentence, ruled out. These demonstrative adjective cannot be the first sentence, don't consider. The state controlled banks among the biggest and most profitable in the world are well centralized and have negligible levels of non performing loans. Hold this one. Hold E, hold B. They have. Pronoun cannot be the first sentence. Now you have to decide between B and F. Here it talks about, no doubt, it talks about the banking system, but it starts with a particular country. In a particular country, what is the status of the banking system? Based on that, the first sentence should be B is the first sentence. At first sight, the country appears to have a superb banking system. To substantiate that statement, the writer provides the state controlled means public sector banks. The state controlled banks among the biggest and most profitable in the world are well centralized and have negligible levels of non performing loans. So, this substantiates the opening statement. What is the second one? F is the second one. BF. These suggest that the country's approach should be applauded. Now it starts with something positive. At first sight, the country appears to have superb banking system. To substantiate that, the state-controlled banks among the biggest and most profitable in the world are well centralized and have negligible levels of non-performing loans. Two or three factors. These, because the number is plural, these suggest that the country's approach should be applauded. This is the third sentence. All the three related to one idea. At first sight, positive, next, substantiating, and then suggestion. This suggests that the country's approach should be applauded. Usually, writers, what they do, they present information and immediately they try to present contradictory information, contrasting information. They use words, obviously, that present or reflect contrast. Now, where is the contrast? Contrasting word. However, for one, although the country's banking system is stable, its banks are not as healthy as they seem. So, contrasting information, C should be the fourth sentence. However, for one reason, although the country's banking system is stable, its banks are not as healthy as they seem. Why? They have higher levels of risky loans than they acknowledge, means something has been hidden. A policy of financial repression which forces households to endure artificially low interest rates and crony capitalism. So, this is the fifth one. And what is the last sentence? If banks promote greater transparency, based on this, here it is hiding information. Based on that, if banks promote greater transparency, competition and innovation, they will transform from simply being world beaters in size to world class organizations. This is the last one. So, what is the correct order? BFD, one group, contrasting based on that, CFA, contrast, substantiation, and solution. BFD CFA is the correct order. An easy one, not that difficult. 36. Wives of bureaucrats. All these are phrase replacement, but I can't make out where the phrase is. I will read out and I will tell which part has an error. Wives of bureaucrats, police officers, and school teachers came together to listen experts in the field. When you read a sentence, this is related to prepositional combination. The verb listen takes a preposition listen to. It takes a preposition to. Listen to someone. Listen to music. So what is missing here? Listen, to is missing. For listening is not correct, not correct, not correct. Obviously, answer is the second option. Wives of bureaucrats, police officers, and school teachers came together to listen to experts in the field. Answer is the second one, easy one. In India, traditionally, pro bono legal work was carried out by who had lawyers who had. This is in past perfect. Any perfect tense, the verb should be in past participle form. Dedicate is not correct. Dedicated themselves to seems right. Dedicated to. Dedication themselves to. Dedicated themselves to helping society. Answer is the first option. Little she knew that she would be named after ferns. There's a problem here. The key says, I think, so little she knew, but that is not the answer. Here, the word little is a negative word. When we begin a sentence with a negative word, there's a rule. What is that rule? The clause should be in the interrogative form. No sooner had he reached. You have learnt already no sooner, hardly, barely. You have to use the clause, not the phrase, the clause in interrogative form. Little is a negative word. So, based on that, this is wrong, obviously. Little did she know that she would be named after ferns. Answer is not the third option. The key says the third option, not correct. Answer is the second option. What is the reason? The sentence begins with a negative word. Whenever we begin a sentence with a negative word, obviously we have to use the clause in the interrogative form. It has been proposed to change the old conductors at the earlier. It's a standard phrase. What is it? At the earliest. In letter writing, also, when we request someone, we use this phrase. Try to do something at the earliest. It has been proposed to change the old conductors. At the earlier is not correct. A standard phrase. If you know the phrase, you don't have to worry. You know for sure. The answer is the third option, at the earliest. Question number 40. A person with high self control cares more about not rock the boat. More about not rock the boat. It is not grammatically correct. Either not rocking the boat or rocking the boat. A person with high self control cares more about rocking the boat. Hold that one. To rock the boat, grammatically not correct. Rocking boats, you cannot change the noun to plural form. Rocked, grammatically not correct. A person with high self control cares more about rocking the boat and maintaining peace in the relationship. Answer is the first option. The last 10 questions deal with the close test, and it is all about farming, especially intensive farming. Extensive, using a lot of land. Intensive, quite opposite. And the passage is all about a short passage. You should answer all the questions. It's all about intensive farming, the advantages, the disadvantages, and the comparison and contrast between extensive farming and intensive farming. How does it start? Many ecologists argue that intensification of agriculture harms biodiversity. It starts with a negative statement. And to substantiate, perhaps, when countries get richer, farming is inclined to become something. When countries get richer, farming is inclined to become either worse, it seems right, hold that one, sidelined, not correct, preoccupied, not correct, intensive, changed. The key says the first option, but in my opinion, it should be the fourth option. You may ask why. The passage is all about intensive farming. It is not about becoming worse or not becoming worse. And here the last sentence talks about quite opposite, not it is not becoming worse, something positive. Empirical studies from Ghana and India suggest that land sparing wins positive. So the key says the first option, that is not correct. It is the fourth option. What is the fourth option? Many ecologists argue that intensification of agriculture harms biodiversity. Opening statement. When countries get richer, farming is inclined to become, countries are not rich, farming is extensive. Countries become richer, farming becomes intensive. Why does it become intensive? The passage, the writer provides the reasons. So answer is the fourth option, intensive. And more information about why it becomes intensive, what exactly happens. Output increases, marginal land is left fallow, the agricultural labor force, it's a common problem you all must be knowing. Agriculture labor force eradicated, shrinks, devastates, employed, multiplies. Here, consequences output increases, marginal land is left fallow, the agricultural labor force eradicated, shrinks, devastates, employed. Yes. Here, force singular. The agricultural labor force shrinks and people tend to move towards towns. Here it is in present tense, the agricultural labor force singular, eradicated, grammatically not correct, otherwise also the word goes with diseases. Devastates, it is not devastating, it talks about the labor force. Employed, no. Multiplies, it is quite opposite. Shrinks, the negative consequences the writer talks about, as well as positive consequences. Output increases, that is positive. Marginal land is left fallow, negative. The agricultural labor force shrinks, negative. And people tend to move towards towns, obviously. Abandoned land is, abandoned land is fund, depleted, used, exploit, necessary. Is, you need the word, a verb in past participle form. Fund is not correct, exploit is not correct, necessary is not correct. It is either depleted or used. But here the sentence talks about abandoned land is depleted for recreation. That is not at all correct. What is the answer? Third option. Abandoned land is used for what? Recreation and turned back into forest or wilderness. That is the main reason. Before you go to the options, you can easily decide. That is a really a reason, not correct. Here, what is the key word? Reason. That is a better reason, not correct. Simply reason, not correct. Main reason, worthwhile, not correct. That is a main reason. 44. That is a main reason in 2005-2010. According to figures from the United Nations Food and Agricultural Research Organization, forest cover, here it talks about increase in forest or wilderness. Based on that, providing evidence, forest cover 45. Fell, it should be positive. Fell is negative, concentrated, not correct. Grew, grow, past, destroyed, negative, dwindled. As I said, it should be positive. Because of that, what happened? Forest cover grew in America and was also stable or increasing in every country in Europe. Exception 46, it should be except. As I said, it is not barred, except, where is this? Except Estonia and Albania, except these two countries. Partly is not correct. Exclusive, not correct. Beside is not correct. Now 47. It is true that where pesticides and fertilizers are used, they what? Tend to. You have to consider the preposition. They tend to, they're likely to, grammatically not correct. Aims to, not correct. Prone to. They tend to do what? The right word is tend. They tend to reduce the number of species, but intensive agriculture banned, employs, compared, endanger ideally. Here it is a statement. The sentence should be in present tense. And intensive agriculture, third person singular, we need a verb with s or es. There's only one option. It is not banned, it is not compared, it is not endanger, it is not ideally. But intensive agriculture employs less land. That's why it is called intensive than extensive farming to produce the. This is a bit difficult. 49. To produce the same amount of food, equal amount of food, marginal is not correct. Exact also you can consider right amount, but answer is same amount of food, not equal, not exact. Better expression, same amount of food. The last blank. The question is whether the net benefits to other species of land sharing, farming extensively on a large area, outdoes those of land sparing farming intensively on a smaller area. It talks about, again, it's a statement. The sentence is in, it's a fact, the sentence is in present tense. You need a verb that is in present form. Outcome, no. Outstanding, no. Outburst, no. It should be outdoes. How does the sentence go? The question is whether the net benefits to other species of land sharing outdoes those of land sparing. The benefits to other species of land sharing outdoes those of land sparing. Now he provides, based on that, you cannot use outcome based on the context. It is outdoes. Based on that, empirical studies from Ghana and India suggest that land sparing wins. That means what? Intensive farming wins. So that's all about today's paper. An easy one. You should get 45 plus. Should not be that difficult. Thank you very much.